up, guys? James here, your host. Thanks for coming back to the shop one more time. Today we're going to be talking about how I designed and built this tire carrier for the WJ Jeep that we've been working on. I think we're in episode 33 or 32 now on the WJ build, so I'm glad you keep coming back and are enjoying the series. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please, and share the video. So let's get started on this build. Okay, I thought I would do another quick recap on the AutoCAD or SolidWorks modeling that I did on this. This is the final rendition here. If you go to part one of the this video series here for this tire carrier, you can see the other models that I had come up with first. But this was the finished model, and I just wanted to show you guys real quick what it looked like, so you can, in case you didn't watch part one. It's a pretty slick design, I think. I love the upsweep of the tubes, and combined with the laser cut fabricated and bent parts there, it's a pretty nice combo. And don't forget to tell me what you guys think in the comments. And you know, is it too bold? Is it just right? Let me know. Well guys, here's the tire carrier. We had to make a few changes on the fly here. First time you make something, sometimes things don't work out quite how you wanted it, but I think it looks pretty sweet. It looks super beefy. It's gonna have cans on both sides and the tire. Oh yeah. Eventually I want to build a matching bumper for the front too, you know, but it looks sweet. That's quite the tire carrier. Alright, we just threw the spare in. Dude, that just looks... Something about having a tire on the back of the Jeep makes it look like a Jeep, you know? Hell yeah. That's it, huh? Just one pull? Sweet. Of course, the air compressor's running. Well, I haven't done much filming here in the last 24 hours. We've been busting our asses getting all this stuff wired, and we got our backup camera on there. All wired up, wires come down through there, up into the tail light. I just hooked up all the lanyards with the pins. We did have a little trouble with the bracket over there because this thing shrunk in on us. It's like 12:30 at night. We're supposed to leave in the morning, but that's gonna get pushed off till tomorrow afternoon. I think I have a few more things to finish, and boy am I tired. But that's on, custom roof rack on, I'm up here, bumpers on, all painted. Oh yeah, I'm tired and ready to get on the road.